Electric current, rate of flow of electric charge. Electric flux, number of electric field lines passing through certain surface element. Electromagnetic waves, waves which do not require any medium for their propagation. Electrolysis, conduction of electricity due to chemical reaction in liquids. Electromotive force, a measure of the energy supplied by a source of electric current per unit charge. Electroplating, electric metallic coating. Electric potential, amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a point. Electric field intensity, electric field force per unit charge at a point. Forward bias, bias voltage which when applied to a p-n junction produce large current flow. Frequency, number of cycles per unit time. Fusion, such nuclear reaction in which two light nuclei merge to form a heavy nucleus with the emission of energy. Half-life, it is the period in which half of the radioactive element atoms decay. Holography, a method of recording three-dimensional image. Elastic limit, the limit beyond which the sample becomes permanently deformed.